Welcome back again to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how the tint overlays are going to be looking on the new Honda Accord. So let me know what you think. And remember guys, any questions or comments you guys have, you can always let me know to YouTube or by reaching me on my Instagram, which I'm going to put my username below. And there it is, guys. Let me know what you think. Hey guys, I do want to point out to you guys that when I installed these ones, I did rush a little bit and ended up having many bubbles under the overlay, so make sure you guys take your time when doing this. Definitely looks great, but I'll most likely replace the ones I have for new ones. Also, I wanted to show you guys how the rear view looks when backing up. Just kind of give you an idea of what you're looking forward to after installing these. Next item will be the fog light overlays. Let me know what you guys think. And in case you guys don't know, the install process are the same. Pretty much make sure you clean them well and then lay the overlay correctly and just use a heat gun if you have or a hair dryer and you should all set. Hey guys, so this will be the fog light overlays that I've got from eBay. They look great in the daytime and really nice at nighttime. They really do catch attention a lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video again and make sure you subscribe. More videos will be coming soon.